Hi, this is Erin Doty of Daargon IoT. I'm here to demonstrate the salt monitor i-CLAMs system. Now the salt monitor comprises of a microcomputer which is affixed to the top of the brine tank. There's a power supply, some interfacing cabling to the LiDAR sensor which is mounted to the bottom of the tank, and that's what measures the level of salt in the container. Part of the system also comprises of Apple's Homekit, which is a natively installed application on all iOS systems. And within this, I utilize an existing device called an air purifier. With a little bit of imagination, is able to serve as our salt monitor. Now, in future applications, I'll actually develop a salt monitor device through Apple's development program, but for the purposes of our initial rollout, the air purifier will suffice, and I will demonstrate how that works. So once we launch the air purifier, we can see the different levels of salt. So I'm just going to represent those. We don't have any salt in this tank, so I'll represent a full tank. When the sensor indicates that the level is high, we've got a green LED. And if you actually look at the salt monitor, you can see that the lower bar graph indicates the level of salt in the system. If I go even further down, you can see that the bar raises. And so that basically gives you some indication of the level of salt in the system. Let's raise the lid a little bit higher, and this represents a lower level of salt in the tank. And as you see, the salt level monitor right now is indicated that it's red. Well, it's going between yellow and red. Let me raise it a little bit higher. Okay, so now you're getting a flashing red. That indicates that the salt tank is ready for replenishment. And if you look at the mobile phone device, you will see that the mobile salt monitor has a change filter soon indication. So that would be an alert that would also be used to indicate that salt needs to be put inside of the tank. And I'll show you. It also there's an icon that indicates, this alert symbol also indicates that salt needs to be filled. So we start getting that alert once you're getting, about 40% salt remaining in the tank. You want to have a little bit of a heads up notice, but you can, if you do open the app, you can see what the level is of salt. And here it's showing it's at zero level. Which in our system would actually be, it will start showing zero once the salt is at the level of the brine fluid at the bottom of the tank, because you don't want the tank to run out of salt completely. That's when you start getting damage to appliances and also the water softener itself. So we will indicate salt replenishment well before that. Thank you so much.